Grant with MarineMax, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Sea Ray 270 SDX that's just arrived here in Jacksonville Beach. We've got a, this is powered with the 400 horsepower Mercury, so more than enough power for this 27 footer. Going to get you right on plane, give you all the speed that you want on a sport boat like this. You've got a nice big sun pad back here on the back with some drink holders over here, a remote for your Fusion stereo. If you, instead of laying down, if you want to sit up, you've got a backrest there too. This boat's got the water sports tower on it, large bimini tops, going to give you a lot of shade. If you look up in through there, there is a place, you don't have to look at it, but there's a place where you can attach your ski rope so you can pull tubes and stuff like that from there. You've got a nice big cooler in the cockpit. And if you see that this boat has got the sea deck throughout it, so it's going to be real easy on your feet. Not going to have sore heels and balls of your feet at the end of the day because you've got this nice sea deck on this boat. Huge L-shaped seating. Say that 3 times fast. L-shaped seating on the port side. Then on the starboard side, of course, you got your helm station here. Dual Simrad displays on here. Really comfortable double wide captain's chair. It's got a flip up thigh rise bolster, so if you're more comfortable standing up and driving, you flip that thigh rise bolster up like it is right there. If you want to sit down and drive, you flip that bolster down. Tilt steering wheel on here. Great place to put your cell phone right here. Again, drink holder right there for the captain. This is something I really like about this boat. This has got a really roomy head on it. Look down and below there. And there's actually a cushion that can convert that into a small berth down below as well. So if you've got a young one that needs a place to lay down for a little while, you've got that. Bow of the boat, the SDXs are known for being really wide at the front instead of coming to a sharp point. So it gives a lot of room in the front of this. So you look at this 27 footer, how much room is on here. It's quite spacious. Plenty of room for 4 people to sit up in the bow. This has got a beach boarding ladder on it as well, so you deploy that and you can climb on and off the front of the boat if you just nose into the beach. And then down below in there, this has got the anchor windlass on it as well. Make it a lot easier on your arms and on your back for taking that anchor in at the end of the day. If you want to test ride or just see this boat, give me a call on my cell phone, 904-625-6146. I'm Grant.